How to enable WhatsApp dark mode. WhatsApp now includes dark mode support. Here's how to enable it. Finally, the moment so many people have been waiting for has arrived. WhatsApp now features built-in dark mode support. In a blog post, the Facebook-owned company announced WhatsApp dark mode is rolling out to Android and iOS devices around the world. If you, like many others, try to take advantage of dark mode as often as you can, then this will be good news to you. Thankfully, enabling the WhatsApp dark mode is easy. In the app, click on the 3 vertical dots in the upper right-hand corner of the screen to get to your settings. From here, navigate to Chats. Here, you can manually toggle between the light and dark themes. In Android 10, you will also have the ability to allow WhatsApp to abide by your system default preferences as shown above. In Android 9 or older, you will need to jump back into settings to toggle between themes manually. Back completely out of the settings, and enjoy the new WhatsApp dark mode.
If you like this video, please click on the like button for our appreciation. For more tips, tricks, and beneficial blog, please subscribe our channel. Topmost. And don't forget to turn on the bell icon.